Welcome everyone to another episode of Tutorial Tuesday. It's week 50, 2019. I'm glad that you're along with us. Hey, this is behind the scenes of Cowboy Christmas. If you can see all of that, it is absolutely insane around here. Tons of trailers, tons of vendors, and pretty darn amazing all the way around. Hey, if you're down here, I want you to stop down at booth 3714. Visit myself and Ben from Paisley's. Get yourself some beef jerky and, of course, get yourself a calendar. Now, let's get right into your questions. My after shooting workflow kind of goes like this. As soon as I'm done shooting, I come home, take the cards out, and I upload those directly to the external hard drives that I use. And then from there, I back those up, and then they're imported into Okay, and so after everything is uploaded into Lightroom, then what I do is go through the selection process of choosing those that are good versus not so good, and I use the rating system, so 1 star, 2 star, 3 stars for that. Hey guys, thanks for chiming in again. Big wave out to you. Sure, this is a really good question. There's an old thing called mood boards, and that was used to take colors, textures, and other pictures, inspirational pictures, and put them together in one place for inspiration for your shoot. Sometimes instead of a mood board, what I'll do is just work collaboratively with the person or people that I'm shooting, and maybe they have some ideas and we can just build on that. Now, the last thing that I'll add to this is don't be afraid to follow your gut on this. With experience and time behind the camera, you're going to learn what works out really well and what really doesn't work out well, but don't be afraid to follow your gut either. Am I wearing a blazer? Yes, I am, and I'm going to post a picture of that right now, so take a look. You know, when you're writing an artist statement, it's like looking in the mirror at yourself for hours on end. So basically what you're doing is you're writing the who, the what, and the why, and that's about your work. Now with that artist statement, it can be about a particular piece, it can be about some pieces that you're putting together for a gallery, or it can be just about generally your work. So think about what you're doing it for. Yes, absolutely. Tricks on lighting for barn photos. You want to set your subject about 1 or 2 feet inside the barn door and utilize natural light, but you can also supplement or augment with artificial light too.